Hey everyone! Welcome to the tutorial on how to send voice messages on Discord PC. First, we have to make sure that Discord is completely closed. To do this, head to your desktop and go to the bottom right corner. Click the arrow icon to show hidden icons. Right-click on the Discord icon and select Quit Discord. To enable voice messaging on Discord, you'll need to download a mod. Open your internet browser and go to vod.dev. Click on the purple download button and select your operating system, Windows or Mac. Once downloaded, open the file and you'll see an installation window. Select Stable on the installation window, then press the green Install button. After installation, reopen Discord. Go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to the menu and find the new VenCard section that's been added. Click on Plugins and then type Voice in the search box. Toggle the voice messages feature to enable it. Go to your chat, click the plus icon next to the message box. Select Voice Message to start recording. Once you've recorded your message, hit the blue send button to share it.
Hello? Hello?
And that's how you send voice messages on Discord PC.